Hello riders and enthusiasts, welcome back to Autofocus Review, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today we're thrilled to delve into the exhilarating world of the 2025 KTM 390 series. Whether you're an urban commuter, an off-road adventurer, or a supermoto enthusiast, KTM's latest lineup promises to ignite your passion for riding. Let's explore the standout features of the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure and the all-new 390 SMCR Supermoto. Authentic ADV styling. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure has undergone a remarkable transformation, drawing inspiration from its larger siblings, the 890 Adventure and 1290 Super Adventure. With aggressive lines and a robust stance, this bike is designed to tackle any terrain. Available in striking electronic orange and ceramic white, it ensures you'll make a statement wherever your journey takes you. Enhanced performance and handling. At the heart of the 390 Adventure lies a refined 398.6cc liquid-cooled engine, delivering an impressive 45.3 horsepower and 39 Nm of torque. This power boost, combined with a 6-speed gearbox featuring a slipper clutch and quick shifter, offers a seamless and exhilarating riding experience. Advanced technology for the modern rider. KTM redesign. L has equipped the 2025390 Adventure with cutting-edge technology to enhance your ride. The bike features IMU-based lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and 3 distinct riding modes: street, rain, and off-road. Supermoto styling and design. For those who crave the adrenaline rush of supermoto riding, KTM presents the 2025390 SMCR. Built on the proven 390 Duke platform, this model boasts a sleek and aggressive design tailored for both street and track enthusiasts. Its sharp aesthetics and dynamic lines reflect its high-performance capabilities, making it a head-turner on any road. Powerful engine and performance. The 390 SMCR is powered by KTM's latest generation LC4C single-cylinder 399cc engine, producing a robust 44.2 horsepower. This power plant, combined with a 6-speed transmission featuring slip and assist functions, ensures rapid acceleration and precise control. Conclusion: choose your adventure with KTM's 2025 lineup. Whether you're drawn to the versatile capabilities of the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure or the high-octane excitement of the 390 SMCR Supermoto, KTM's latest offerings are engineered to elevate your riding experience. Embrace the thrill, explore new terrains, and redefine your limits with these exceptional machines. Thank you for joining us at Autofocus Review. Stay tuned for more in-depth analyses and ride safe.